Hi, I'm Kev from 24/7 Blinds, and in this video we're going to take a look at everything you need to know to fit your brand new Roman blinds. So once you've received your Roman blinds, well, now it's time for the fun part. 24/7 Blinds include all of the mounting brackets and safety devices with every blind they sell. It will be up to you to provide screws and raw plugs that are suitable for the surface you're attaching your blind to. Okay, so once we've unpacked everything, then we're going to be ready for the installation. But before we can start, there are going to be a few tools that you'll need to have available. To fit your Roman blind, you're going to need a drill with an appropriate drill bit, a metal tape measure, a Phillips or crosshead screwdriver, and a pencil. And as usual, in this video, we'll be referring to all measurements in centimetres. Okay, so if we take a look at the main blind unit itself, you'll notice that the control chain is already attached. And this has been done based on the choice you made when you ordered the blind. So it should be pretty self-explanatory to know which way around the blind will go once it's installed. Okay, so the next step then is to mount the wall brackets to hold your blind in place. Now, dependent on the width of the blind that you've ordered, you'll either be supplied with 2, 3 or 4 of these. Make sure you use all the brackets supplied to fit your blind. These brackets can either be fitted as a face fix, which is perfect for blinds that hang outside of the recess, or top fix, which is for inside the recess. And that is what we're going to be doing today. Now, when you're deciding where to seat the brackets within the recess, it's important to consider any potential obstacles, things like window handles or locks. As you can see in this case, this handle is sitting about 3 centimetres forwards from the back of the window frame itself. So when I come to mount the brackets, I want to put them approximately 4 centimetres forwards. This will give me a good clean drop every time the blind is used. So let's install the first bracket. Remember to start 4 centimetres from the back of the recess and offer up the bracket top fix. Position these brackets about 20 centimetres from the edge of the recess. Take the pencil and make 2 drill marks in the wall. We need to then repeat this process for all other supplied brackets before we start the drilling. So we're all set. I've got my cordless drill all charged up and ready to go, and I've got a suitable masonry drill bit attached to this wall that I'm going to drill into. The other thing to consider is a pair of safety specs. I wear these just to keep the plaster dust out of my eyes, but if you don't have any, then be careful. Okay, so now that we have our holes drilled, the next thing we need to think about are pushing our wall plugs in. Make sure that you seat these flush all the way into the wall. Great, so next up, I'm going to offer up the brackets and screw them into place, and do this for every bracket that's been supplied. Okay, so with the brackets firmly in place, we're now ready to fit the blind. Just make sure before you offer it up that all of the swing arms are open before you offer up the blinds. Offer up the top rail straight up to the brackets together. And then push the swing arms clockwise to lock the rail in place. Okay, so we're nearly there. The final thing we have to do, and it's really important, is install this. It's the child safety device. Not only do these chains look a little bit untidy just hanging in the window recess, but they can also be dangerous for small children and pets. So let's extend out the control chain to its maximum extension and seat the safety device towards the wall. Mark the holes with our pencil, and then we're ready to drill the final 2 holes. We simply finish this off with the final 2 screws and then check that the cord fits comfortably between the control unit and the safety device with no chance of it coming free. So there we are, we've fitted our beautiful new Roman blind. And the great thing is that now that our brackets are in place, it's very inexpensive and easy to swap this blind for a different one if we ever redecorate the room or simply want a change of scene at different times throughout the year. Click one of the links below to take a look through our huge range of colours, designs and styles to make your room look fabulous. And remember, we're always creating new styles, blinds and window options. So don't forget to subscribe today so you don't miss out.